Okay, this is a quick recording on how to get to this week's grammar and how to use it. So you need to go to your dashboard, which is over here, your course, and you're going to click on your Language Arts Block 2. When you get into your Language Arts Block 2, you will come to the screen that is right here. I'm actually going to put it in student view so you can see it. And this is what yours will look like. This video is actually right here underneath grammar. So you have your spelling, which is normal, which stays the same. You have this grammar. There's a few differences this week where you can choose, and then you have your weekly writing is going to be a little different this week too. But you want to basically come on up here and click to the assignments page. That is right there. And scroll all the way down until you see April 20th, because that is this week. Now this looks like a long list, but remember you're only choosing 1 hour from here. I've just given you a bunch of options this week, and some of them are kind of fun. And you only hand in one assignment, so you choose 1 hour. So if you're doing a 30-minute spelling, then you got to find another 30-minute. So then you could do those two together. You could do just the verb tense worksheets. The worksheet lesson is the same as this video quiz. So you could just choose the worksheet if you're more comfortable with that. Or if you want to don't want to do any of that and you want to create your own emoji, which is this week's writing project, you may do that, which is 1 hour, and then you send me the emoji. And I don't have a time on here. I'm hoping that most of you have your Choose Your Own Adventure done, and if you do, you're editing this week and you can go here. But I want to go to the grammar right now. We're going to go to this. You see that it's a quiz. You click on the present, past, future tense. This will take about 30 minutes, and it looks like there's a lot of videos here, but if you scroll down, each one is really only 2 minutes. They are all Khan Academy videos. There's an introduction, and you're learning about 3 verb tenses, present, past, and future, and you just watch each video, and they're each 2 minutes long. So maybe there's 10 minutes of videos there, and then if in the Khan Academy you want to practice, you can do the practice quizzes before you take my quiz. When you're ready, take my quiz. You're going to take that here. You're going to hit take, and then up pops the quiz. So here's the quiz. The questions are here, but if you just go over and you scroll down, the questions are at the bottom, and you just read the sentence, and whatever the verb is here, I finished my nap, I have to tell whether that verb is present, past, or future. You can see I wrote present twice. I think that's the only one I did that on, and you can click through that as all the answers. And then when you're done with the test, you go all the way down to the bottom and you hit submit quiz. Make sure you hit submit quiz or I won't get it. Now you see that I have 6 unanswered questions, but I'm going to submit anyways. Okay, so now I'm done with my quiz. It actually tells me at the top how much time it took. It took me less than a minute. I got 0 points out of 6, and 0 out of 6 is sent to the grade book underneath my name. So I failed the test. But you can see what your scores are over here. Okay, so let's go back. I'm going to go back to the home page. I'm going to go back to the assignments, and then there's another grammar assignment. Your other grammar assignment is right underneath the verbs. Whoops, sorry, that's last week's. The future, past, future tense verbs. Now if you don't want to do the video and the quiz, you can do the worksheets if you're more comfortable with that. Or you can do both if you're bored this week. So I click on verb tense worksheets, and all the worksheets are here, and if you click on them, a PDF will show up down here. You can see it down here, and I click on that and a worksheet pops up. You're going to have to print it at home, or you can put it into Adobe or Google Drive and type the answers, and then when you're done, you come down here. Oops, sorry, up here it says submit assignment. You hit submit assignment, and you upload the file here, and then you submit it to me. If there are instructions on top of the worksheet of the lesson of what past, present, and future tenses are, if those don't make sense, you can watch this short video and that will help you, or you can go back to the quiz and watch the Khan Academy videos and they will help you. So that's grammar this week. I hope that helps you out. If not, make sure you drop me an email.